Okay. Pull out. Out. Yay! Yay! You did it! Pull out. It happens. Dada. Uh-oh. This way.
Other way.
That way.
Other way. Go. Put it in all the way.
Uh-oh.
Nope. Other way. Yep. Mm-hmm. You have to
Happens.
put it in all the way.
Dada.
You have to put it in all the way.
Dada.
Put it in all the way.
Uh-oh.
Put it in all the way. There you go. Now keep turning. There you go.
It opens.
Yeah, it opens.
See? See?
I do see. You gotta go more.
Dada.
You have to go more.
Dada.
Put it in.
Dada.
You have to go more.
You can see 10. It opened, Dada. See 10? See that?
Mm-hmm. That one's last. Which one's next, though? Not that one.
Attending. Attending.
Other way. Yep. Okay.
Yay!
Not yet. You got one more. One more. Nope, leave it. That one stays in there. You have one more.
Okay, then left.
Nope. Careful. Don't cross thread it.
It opens. Opens.
Keep going.
Dada.
Yeah. Keep going. Bravo! Bravo! You opened it. Good job.
See?
I do.
In.
Mm-hmm.
It goes it. Opens. Dada. Yay!
Yay. What's next?
And next.
You got to take that key out first. This has got to come out, remember? Twist.
Dada.
Pull it out. There you go.
Yay!
Good job.
Next.
Next.
It goes in.
Yeah, it's closing. What about the cap?
Cap.
Yeah, where's the end piece?
Boo. Peace.
Tighten it up. Not with that. Remember how to tighten it? Here, this piece. Remember?